คนที่สอง
Hello.
ที่หนึ่ง Hello teacher Lily Black
Yes, hello. Good morning.
Lily Black
Good morning, K3. So we have Marine, Fafa. Good morning, Car. Yes. Good morning, Frau. And Baiboa is coming. Hello, Car. Good morning. Good morning. And Oi is coming. Good morning.
Good morning
Good
morning classmate
Okay, M is coming.
teacher
M is coming. I want you to prepare your worksheet first before we start. Your science worksheet. The one that says object inside the house.
what's Lily Black
Yeah, the worksheet that is object inside the house, like that. So we have here. You don't have? You don't have. I send it to your line. If you when you have yes, that one, that one.
Okay.
Oh, you draw it, Marine?
Yes.
Yeah, very good, Marine. Very good. Okay. You are very good. Now all of you. Okay, so we have here.
Yes.
Yes, very good, Marine. You know how to draw it. You know how to draw. You made it. Okay, very good, Marine. Okay, so prepare your worksheet. And let us start now. We have here Papa, Iboa, Prau, Oi, and Marine. Hello, are you ready for our science?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready for our science? Okay, ready? Yeah, boom.
Yes.
And
Yes.
Baya.
Correct.
Welcome, Bea. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Bea. So, okay. Again, are you ready? Yeah. All of you answer. Okay, I will not start if you will not answer. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Ready? Yeah. Boom. Again, Marine, Baiboa, Papa, Oi, Bea. Okay, look at here. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Boom. Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hooray. Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Okay. So I think you are very ready now. You are very ready now. So let us start. Okay, let us start now. I prepared this one for you.
Teacher, is this?
เราใส่ใบหญ้าในหนังสือบางทีละขีดอะเขียนว่าคำว่าขีดอยู่ในนี้เห็นไหม
แม่ใช้เลข
Okay.
กระดาษแบบนี้แต่ว่าเป็นใช้เลขกระดาษเดี๋ยวใช้เลข
Check your living room.
เดี๋ยวยังไงจะนั่งยังไง
What is that?
เอายังไง
Yes, that one. That one.
จะถอยหรือจะเอาเข้าไปถามจะเอาเข้าไปหรือจะถอยออกมา
Yes,
the
the other one. The one that says that is the other one, okay? Okay, look at here. Let's start now. Furniture and prepositions of say. Yes, that one. Okay, yeah, that one. Yes, you have to answer that one. So let's start now. Okay, let us check your living room today. You listen to this one and you help me answer here, okay? Help me answer here.
This.
Okay, yes, that one. That one. Yes. Okay, so you already have your worksheet. Now listen here. Okay, we have to listen, repeat, and match the word with the right picture. Okay? Listen, repeat, and match the word with the right picture. You have to answer. Help me answer here.
Armchair.
Okay?
Armchair.
ไม่ถนัดก็เอาออก
Yes, armchair. So where is the armchair here? Can you tell me where is the armchair here? Have you seen the armchair here? Is this the one? Yes or no? Is this the one? Armchair. Armchair. Armchair is this one. Okay? This is the armchair. Okay. Where is the armchair? You have to answer. Is it A, next to the bookcase? B, near the window? C, beside the fireplace?
ในห้องรับแขกในห้องน้ำมีส
Is
นาม
it
เล็
E,
กๆสนาม
B, or
เดี๋ยว
C?
ย่าพูดสองอันนี้ทำไม
What is the answer here?
มัน
Can you tell me the answer? Where is the armchair? Is it next to the bookcase? This one or no?
No.
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 So near the window?
No.
No. What is the answer? Can you read this? Okay, can you read this side? Can you read this one? Beside the fireplace. Read this one, all of you.
The fire set.
Yes. So the question is, where is the armchair? The answer is beside the fireplace. You have to beside the fireplace. You have to read this one, okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, listen here.
Family photo.
Family photo. Where is the family photo? Have you sent the family photo? Have you sent the family photo? Where is it? Where? Is this the one? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, this is the family photo. Okay. This is the family photo. So where is the family photo? A, on the wall. B, on the table. C,
At the table.
where is the correct answer here? Is it E, B, or C? Is it A? Okay, A. The answer is A. So on the shelf is wrong. On the table is wrong. The answer here is on the wall. Yes, letter A. Where is the family photo? Can you answer? Can you read this one? On the wall. Say yes. On the wall. Okay. Okay. The question is, where is the family photo? On the wall. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let's go to this one.
Pot plant.
What is that?
Pot plant.
Pot plant. Okay. Where is the pot plant? Have you seen? Plant. Pot plant. Pot plant. Where is it? Where? Where's the pot plant? This one?
Yes.
Okay. This one is the pot plant. Okay. Where is the pot plant? A. On the floor under the wall clock. B. On the floor next to the sofa. C. On the floor in front of the table. Where is it? Where did you put your pot plant? A, B, or C? Is it A, B, or C? Letter? A, on the floor under the wall clock?
ก็นั่งดีๆเข้าตัวดี
On the floor, this one on the floor next to the sofa is wrong. The answer here is this one. On the floor under the wall clock. Okay, can you read this one for me? Read this one. All of you read. On. Okay, where is the pot plant? Read this one. On. All of you read this one. On.
ๆอ่านครูสอน
On the. Floor. Wall clock. Okay, you have to practice reading, okay? So where is the pot plant? On the floor. See? On the floor under the wall clock.
ครูสอนได้เขียนไหม
Okay? On the floor under the wall clock. Now let's go to this one. Okay, this one.
Rug.
Good.
Rug.
Rug. Have you seen the rug? Where is the rug? Rug. Where is the rug? Is this rug? Rug. Is this the one? Rug. This one. Okay. This one. Okay. So where is the rug? Can you describe it? Where is the rug? Is it A, on the right of the room? B, in the middle of the room? C, on the left of the room? What is the correct answer here? Is it E or C? And the C? On the left side of the room is wrong. What is the answer? C? The correct answer here is in the middle of the room. Look at this one. It's in the middle, okay? Okay. The correct answer is in the middle of the room. Okay, can you read this one for me? Read. Can you read this one? And middle of the room. Yes, in the middle of the room. Where? So the question is, where is the rug? In the middle of the room. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay, let's next.
Bookcase.
Bookcase. Bookcase. Bookcase.
Bookcase.
Okay, bookcase. Where is it? Bookcase. Where is it? This one or this one? This one? Where is the bookcase? Okay, this is the bookcase. Yes, this is the bookcase. So B. Next, the door. This is A, behind the sofa. Next to the door. Near the chair. Near the chair is no. Next to the door is no. The answer here is letter A. Okay. Can you read this one? Read it. Behind the Behind. Yes, behind the sofa. See? Behind. This is the sofa. And the bookcase is behind the sofa. Now let's go to the next question.
ตกไปทางนู้นสิ
Okay, let's
Yeah.
Reading lamp. Reading lamp.
reading lamp.
ไม่ติด
Hear it? Reading lamp. Where is the reading lamp? Lamp. Reading lamp. Can you hear this one again? Listen, listen. Okay, that's why you have to listen. Okay.
Reading lamp.
I'm sorry.
Lamp.
Okay.
ดูนะดูนะไม่ใช่ให้เล่นโผล่
Reading lamp.
Reading lamp. Where is it? Is it the one?
Yes.
Okay, very good. This is
ยังไม่ดู
the reading lamp. Okay.
Reading ค่ะ
Okay, where is it? In the coffee table? Over the coffee table? On the
มัน
coffee
ก็
table?
เอาไปทั่วน่ะมันคันน่ะก็ปาก
Where
ข
is
อง
that?
ตัวเองกินขนมปลูกไว้นะ
Is it E, B, or C?
กินเวลาเรียนมันก็อย่างนั้นน่ะ
Okay, let us check. Where is the reading lamp? In the
ถ้า
coffee
น่ะมันคันเอาออกไป
over the coffee table is wrong. The answer here is,
ดูตั้งใจ
can you read? On
on
เถิบมาดี
the coffee table. On the coffee table. So, where is the reading lamp? On the coffee table. Okay? So, you know already? Okay, now let's go to the next question. Okay, look at this one. Listen. You have to listen here.
Fireplace.
Fireplace. Fireplace. So where is the fireplace? Have you seen the, where? This one?
Yes.
Okay, this one is the fireplace. Okay, so have you said where is the fireplace? Is it A, between the chair and the cupboard? B, between the bookcase and the shelf? C, between the sofa and the window? Can you think about the answer? Where is the fireplace? Is it between the chair and the cupboard? The chair and the cupboard? Wrong. Okay. Between the bookcase and the shelf. This was the bookcase and this one is the shelf. Is this
ๆ
correct?
ให้ดูตรงเนี้ยว่าอันไหนไม่ใช่หรือไม่ใช่ดู
Is this correct? Okay, the answer here is between
Yes.
the bookcase and the shelf. Okay, can you read this one for me? Read this one. Can you read this answer? Where is the
Between
fireplace?
the bookcase and the shelf.
Yes, between the bookcase and the shelf. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, let's hear.
เขาอ่านดูอย่างนี้เพื่อน
Wall clock.
Have you read it?
Wall clock.
Wall clock. Where is the wall clock?
Yeah, this one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, this is the wall clock. Okay.
Okay.
Where is the wall clock? Under the
ออกเลือก
path
ข้อไหน
plant,
เนี่ยที่ถูกอ่ะ
over the path plant, on the path plant.
เนี่ยตรงเนี้ยมันอันไหนถูก
Is it E, B, or C? Let us check. Letter A, under the path plant is wrong. Over the path plant is
ตอบยังตอบเสร็จยัง
correct. Over the
ครู
path
บอกให้ต้อง
plant.
ตอบไปตา
See?
มครูนะ
Over the path, over the path plant. This is the path plant and this is the wall plant.
ว่าไง
The answer is
กระดาษมีกระจก
เพราะว่าก็จะสอน
yes. Where is the wall clock? Answer this one. Read it. Over the, can you read it? Over the path plant.
Under the dark
over the plant. Okay, the answer is letter B. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, look at this one.
Cushion.
Cushion. Where is the cushion here? Have you seen the cushion? Okay, this one is the, yes, this one is the cushion, this one. Okay, where is the cushion? Under on the armchair, on the chair, letter C, on the sofa. A, B, or C?
Sofa.
Yes, so the answer is wrong. Chair is on the sofa is correct. You are very good. So the answer is on the sofa. Now let's go to this one.
Painting.
Painting. Have you seen the painting? Painting. Painting. Where is it? Have you seen it? Painting. Do you think this one? Painting. Huh? Painting. Yes, this one. This is the painting. Okay, this is the painting. Okay, where is the painting? Next to the fireplace, near the chair. Over the chair. A, B, or C? Next to the fireplace. Yes, next to the fireplace. This is the correct answer. Next to the fireplace. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the next question. Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay, you have to listen again.
Coffee table.
Coffee table. Okay, where is the coffee table? Coffee table. Is this the one? Coffee table. Is this the one? Yes or no?
No.
This one? Yes? Papa, is this the one?
Yes.
Is this the one, Papa?
Yes.
Coffee table? I think yes. This is the one. This is the coffee table. Okay, where is the coffee table? Is it beside the sofa? Under the rack? In front of the armchair?
Teacher, on the sofa.
Under the sofa? Beside the sofa is wrong. Under the rack is also wrong.
That is sofa.
Yes, the answer is in front of the armchair. Have you seen? This is the armchair, and in front of the armchair is a coffee table. Okay? Can you read this one for me? Can you read this one? And front of armchair. Okay, where is the coffee table? In front of the armchair. Okay? Now let's go to this one. Let's go to this one. Okay, let us check this one. Okay. Now listen. Listen here. All of you listen here. Okay?
Shelf.
Shelf. Where is the shelf? Have you seen the shelf? Shelf. Shelf. This one?
No.
This one is?
No.
Where?
No.
This one is no. This one is? This is the shelf. Okay, this one is the shelf. Okay? So where is the shelf? A. Over the chair. B. Next to the cupboard. C. Near the TV set. What is the correct answer? Over the chair? Is it A, over the chair? No. Next to the cupboard is next to the cupboard. Is it correct? Yes or no? Next to the cupboard. Yes, the answer here is next to the cupboard. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay, listen here.
Sofa.
Sofa. Where is the sofa? Have you seen the sofa?
There.
Where? Where's the sofa? Is this the one? Is this the one? Yes, this is the sofa. Okay. Where is the sofa? Is it behind the window?
No.
Opposite the TV?
No.
On the right side?
Yes.
Okay, let us take it. That's very good. So let us check this one. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. And the answer is on the right side. You are very good. Okay, you are very good. Now, can you read this one for me? Read.
On the right side. On the right side.
Yes,
On the left
side. Yes, you are very good. Now let's go to the next question.
Chair.
Chair. Have you said
Chair.
Chair.
Chair. There.
This one?
This one. Yes.
Okay, this is the chair. Okay. Where is the chair? Is it opposite to the TV set? In front of the TV set? Next to the TV set? What is the correct answer? Huh? Next to the TV set is wrong? What is the correct answer? Opposite to the TV set. So have you said this is the chair and this is the TV? So the chair is opposite to the TV set, okay? Okay, so where is the armchair? Can you read this one for me? Opposite. Read. Opposite. The TV set. Okay? Yes, very good. Now let's go to the next. Okay, listen here.
Cupboard.
ที่ที่แล้วครูให้อ่านเรื่องเขียวอ่ะ
No, cupboard is
Cupboard.
okay. Yeah.
TV set.
TV set. Where? Yes. Okay, this is the TV set. Where is the TV set? On the left of the sofa? On the right of the sofa? Front of the sofa?
No.
Is it A, B, or C?
โก้ถูกอ่ะ
In front of the sofa is no? Is it left or right?
โก้นะ
Left of the sofa or right? It's on the right side of the sofa. TV set on the right of the sofa. Okay, read this one. On the sofa. Okay, on the right of the sofa. Okay, so of the sofa. Okay. So you are very good. So you are very good, Catherine. Our time is already up. You have to answer your worksheet, okay? Okay, you understand? Okay, you understand? Your worksheet, okay? So, and see you in our math class. Okay, bye-bye for now. Bye.
ฟังครูให้ทำอะไร
Thank you, Erin, Papa, Awa, Oy, Leia, Okay. Erin, bye, Boa, Papa, Leia, Oy,
Rồi.
And this one is?
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.